Benefits of peppermint oil for hair growth. Peppermint oil has the following main benefits: it promotes hair development, balances oil, can enhance hair thickness, and reduces irritation. It is often recommended for persons who have greasy hair and scalps. You can use peppermint oil up to 3 times each week. Peppermint oil should be combined or diluted with a carrier oil. It also provides a variety of advantages, the majority of which are derived from its invigorating properties. Peppermint oil may aid to stimulate the scalp, perhaps resulting in a healthier hair growth cycle. 1. May promote hair growth. It has been established that peppermint oil can stimulate hair growth owing to dilatation of the blood vessels and aid with hair loss. Peppermint essential oil promotes blood circulation to the skin, which may aid in improving dermal thickness, follicle number, and follicle depth. 2. Reduces inflammation. When applied topically, peppermint offers a pleasant, cooling effect, helps alleviate skin irritation. Peppermint essential oil is good for your hair and scalp because it has antibacterial characteristics that can help balance the scalp microbiota. 3. Balancing oily hair. Peppermint oil regulates oil production by balancing the pH of your scalp. Peppermint oil stimulates the scalp and hair follicles, however it should not be used by people who have a dry scalp or brittle hair. It works well on oily hair and scalp. When applied carefully and responsibly, peppermint oil may be used on all hair types. People should avoid directly applying peppermint oil since it may be quite irritating. Those with essential oil allergies or sensitive skin/scalp should avoid it or do a patch test before using it. If your hair is greasy, peppermint oil is fantastic. It cleanses, cleans, and invigorates the hair without depleting it of its natural and required oils. Peppermint oil controls your scalp sebum production, keeping your hair nourished and moisturized without weighing it down. It also gets rid of any product buildup or residue in the process. Peppermint oil can be used alone, in DIY treatments, or in combination with a carrier oil. It's a common element in many hair care products, such as shampoos, conditioners, scalp treatments, and deep treatment masks. It's simple to make a DIY peppermint oil hair mask at home. Ingredients include peppermint essential oil and coconut oil. Combine a few drops of peppermint oil with a few drops of coconut oil. Warm the coconut oil until it is liquid enough to coat your hair. Apply to your hair and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes before shampooing and conditioning as usual. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.